Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to set date and time on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so if you have just bought some cell phone and want to set the date and time, then you don't need to be worried about the difficulties because I will give you a tutorial for it. So now let's check it out. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to about settings menu on your phone. Okay, then here you can scroll down till the bottom and go to system menu over here, and then you can go for date and time. So if you want to set date and time, you have to turn off first auto set timer. Okay, over here you can turn off, you can click for it and then click off so that you can set the date and time properly like this. And I will choose for randomly and click OK, and I set the time. This is randomly to about 1 p.m. Okay, click OK, and then we're done. The time and date has changed, and you can see the display has changed guys. Okay, the second way that you have to do is you can set the time and date automatically following your time zone and local default. You can click auto set time and then use network provide, and the time and date will change automatically following your time zone, and it will be 100% accurate guys, so don't need to be worried. Okay, so here's the tutorial on how to set date and time on Infinix Smart 8 easily, and thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.